Hi everybody, I hope you all are having a good day wherever you are. And so today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I did open it a little bit, but I just glanced at it. I don't know what's in it, or like I couldn't tell you anything. I just saw something pink or reddish that looked like a blush. That's all I saw. But so this is an authentic unboxing, even though I kind of peeked. And I'm also going to be hauling a few more things for you all that you may or may not care to know about. But anyway, so this is the theme for March's box is vacation. I like that. That's so pretty. Vacation. And then you have also a little 25% off card for Butter London. Cool. 25% off your next $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. And the code that you can use for that is charm25. So in case you would be interested in that, that's it. So anyway, let's get to what we have in here. So the first thing that I actually saw when I opened this, when I wasn't supposed to, but the first thing I saw is this. This is from Pretty Vulgar. I love the packaging. This is a blush let me just read the thing before I make up stuff. It's the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. And it's in the shade 18 Hush Blush. Was that out of the camera? I apologize. Hush Blush. And it is $25. And yeah, nothing really like fancy about the definition. I mean the description. But anyway, it's this kind of pretty universal blush. This is it swatched, if you can see it. Ooh, that was a little powdery when I turned it over. And it's a little powdery swatching, but there it is. That's very pretty, very pigmented. So yeah, cool. I don't really buy too many blushes, so when I get some in like Boxycharm or whatever, that's good, because I don't really, for me, I just feel like you just need like 3 or 4 blush shades and you'll be fine. Like, you know, you don't need the same color pink 5 times over. If you just have like a coral, a pink, like a medium tone pink, a hot pink, and then like a red, you're good to go. Oh, let me scoot up a little bit. I feel like I'm far away. Okay, so the next thing is this. This is a mascara by Butter London. It's the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Wow, it says wow. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so this is $20. It says get 200% thicker lashes in just 1 coat and 314 increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to strengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. Okay, I'm just curious to see what the actual mascara looks like. I'm not going to open it because I have too many mascaras open already that I feel like I'm going to have to throw out. Oh, if it can come out. Oh, you have to do one of these numbers. Oh, I'm slow. But yeah, ooh, I like the tube. It's very big and bulky. But yeah, this is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Like I said, I'm not gonna open it because I don't want I don't want it to go bad. So yeah. Okay, so next in here, I can't get it back in the way it's supposed to. Okay, anyway, so next in here, what I see is this is a facial thing. This is called the okay, this is the South Main Beauty under eye gels for $10. Cool. The packaging made me, I don't know why the packaging made me think about crayons or something. I don't know, but yeah, let me open this and see how the packs look. So you get 3 packs in here, and you take them out, and they look like this. So yeah, they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturizes your eye area. And you leave this on for 30 minutes. So cool. And for best results, use 3 consecutive days. So for this, I wouldn't just use one night, wait 2 weeks, use the next. Like, I would use it in 3 consecutive days just to see how it does. I might do a video on that. I think that would be pretty cool. Let me know below if you think that would be interesting. And if I remember to do so, I will do a video on it. Okay, so next we have these guys. These are brushes. The packaging in this stuff is so cute this month. Okay, so this is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. And these retail for $23.15. Interesting price there. So let's open this up. I think this is like pretty good if like, this is like good to do if you're like a makeup junkie like me, but you want to like kind of like fall back on how much makeup you buy. I think this Boxycharm would be good because it's like getting a present every month. And you know that you're getting it, so you figure, okay, well, I might as well just like save $20 of buying makeup, or possibly risk spending more in the drugstore and just wait for my Boxycharm. So finally got it open, y'all. Oh no, where's the brush there? Okay, so these are the brushes. Okay, so looks like you have like a packer brush that you just put on your lid to put on eyeshadow. This looks like a crease brush. It's kind of thick and short for a crease brush, but it looks like a crease brush. I will check and see, make sure I'm not just making stuff up. And this is a smudger brush. Let me see. Okay, so this is, oh, it has like, okay, so on the back of these, it has like different steps. Like, this is step 1 for the money. So the one that I described is the like packer brush. This is step 2 for the shadow. This is the like crease brush, and this smudger brush is step 3. Go girl, go. Let me see the pack. I mean, look at the let me see how you actually use this before I just make up stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's basically, yeah. So these are a shadow brush, angled shadow brush, and a smudger brush. So I pretty much got that right. Okay, so the last thing in the palette is from Pure Cosmetics. I peeped. Ooh, okay. We got Pure Cosmetics last time. Was it last month or the month before? No, the month before in January. So this right here, ooh, I love how big it is. Ooh, it has little hearts on it, if you can see. But this is the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette, and it's $36. Oh, it has this taped up together. I was about to say. So this is the eyeshadow brush. Eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Y'all forgive me today. How do I... So they're making sure you have to work to open this baby, okay? Let me open this up. Okay, so 10 minutes later, here we go. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that, look at that. Kind of reminds me of like some colors in Jaclyn Hill's palette. I mean, like the blue and the like warm tones, but anyway. And then you get like this really nice mirror, and it says Boxycharm. Sorry if I'm blinding you. But yeah, let me see. Let me swatch a few of them. I'm gonna swatch the blue. They're nice and soft. I mean the purple, the blue, and let's see. Do one of these. Let's see, the peach color one, and then I'm gonna do the shimmery shade. I hope these are the ones that y'all want to see. Don't you hate whenever you're like waiting for like a YouTuber to swatch something, and they swatch the ones that you don't want to see? Okay, so these are the 4 colors. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. But yeah, they're nicely pigmented. Can't wait to see how they work. And so yeah, that's it for my Boxycharm this month. And just like a few extra stuff that I just want to say that I just bought from the beauty supply store. I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to do some crochet braids in it. And so I got this little thing right here. This actually works for like wigs too or whatever. But it's just the a hair trimmer, hair cutter. And I do not know how to use these things, so I'm about to learn today. And so I also got me some eyelashes. This is from Cherry Blossom. I got one. This is in 109. I hope these are not the ones that I have back home. And then I got Broadway black lashes in 747 XS. So yeah, and then lastly, I got me some new some new lash glue, because the other one, I don't know if it's like old or whatever, but sometimes it just, you know, it's too sticky or whatever. This might be the same as my old one, but this is by INV, and it's the super strong eyelash adhesive, and this was like $363 I think at the beauty supply store. So anyway, that is it. That is my haul / Boxycharm. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed me, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.